Hello, Veg Fest. This is your neighborhood State Farm agent, Kelvin Nunley. It's a plum-pleasing pleasure to be here with you again on this great weekend of information, knowledge, and this fantastic event. I'm always happy to be a part of this event. I won't be long with my presentation, but it's all about life insurance, especially under these times and circumstances that we're under with COVID and all these different variants. The framework of my conversation is basically to tell you the importance of having life insurance outside of your job, what it means to benefit your family with a blessing of life insurance in case something were to happen to you, and finally, the basic two types of policies that are available to you. Number one, the importance of having life insurance outside of your job is one of the main reasons why you need to purchase life insurance that you personally own. No one can take it from you. You take now what we're dealing with COVID. A person loses their job, and generally speaking, that life insurance will sooner or later go away. Hopefully, it's a little while, but rest assured it's going to go away. But if you own a policy that you personally own, no one can take that policy away from you. It's yours. You make the decisions on who the beneficiary is. You make the decisions on what type of policy you want. We only advise at our office, and we try to show you what the differences are and how that can benefit you and your family. The second thing I want to talk about is what it means to leave a legacy and protect your family in case something happens to you or your demise. The most important thing you need to know is your spouse or your children, they will need that money and those monies to get through a tragic event of losing a parent or a important person in their lives, someone who takes care of them. Even your parents, you may be assisting your parents now, and they'll need certain funds to get through life. So it's really all about the love that you know that you have for your family and you wanting to express that to your family. Of course, they will miss you. They'll be devastated, but having those funds to get through life makes it a little bit easier. When you consider like the mortgage that's remaining on a home or the rent that's due on an apartment, if you have shared expenses and one of those incomes goes away, that person that you leave behind will need those funds to support the family and the household. Little children need education, and the last thing we want to do is if something were to happen to you, and you've seen them so many times, especially now, are the GoFundMes. GoFundMe is not life insurance. It's not a way for you to take care of your family. And this is what this is really about, taking care of your family and taking care of that and protecting that legacy so that your children and your spouse and your loved ones will not have to suffer when you leave. It's the responsible thing to do, and my office can certainly help you and direct you in what's the best way to do this. Finally, there are basically two types of policies that you need to know. One is a term policy, and one is a whole life policy. The term policy basically means that for a certain amount of time, the rate will remain what it is. So you can have a 10-year term and the rate will stay the same for the next 10 years. A 20-year term or a 30-year term, the rate will remain as it is. After the term is over, the rate increases based on your age at the change of the term. So if you purchase a policy at age 30 and you purchased a 10-year policy and now at age 40, the premium will adjust to your age of 40 as opposed to age 30. Those policies are generally a little or less expensive for more coverage, but there is a price to pay at the exchange of the term. The other policy is a whole life policy, and the rate never changes. They're a little bit more expensive because of two factors. One is the death benefit increases over time. And number two, you earn what we call cash value. And we can explain what cash value is in a one-on-one meeting with us, either over the phone or in person. Our office is sanitized, and we have masks and all of those good things. So please feel free to give us a call at 214-333-0404. That's 214-333-0404. We're located at 1441 North Cockrell Hill, suite number 100. We're at the Affordable Dentistry Building, right behind the Supercenter, the Walmart Supercenter at Cockrell Hill and Adler Road. You'll see our signage. So we look forward to, you can also contact us at www.sfkelvin.com. That's www.sfkelvin.com. Thank you so much. Thank you, VegFest. It's always a pleasure. We look forward to hearing wonderful, great things on this Saturday. We will be out there to participate with the other vendors. We don't have a booth this year, but we will definitely come by and say hello to everyone. And you all be safe, be careful, wear your masks, and keep your hands clean, kiddios. And it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much. It's wonderful, wonderful, great event, VegFest 2021. Thank you.